I'm going to pack the back there with some newspaper so that nothing rattles around. So I've got it packed in there, not real tight, but it'll help keep everything in place. So, all right, well, I've got it in the box. The back is filled with newspaper, and then the sides here filled with newspaper. Top and bottom pretty tight in the box. I'm going to lay some foam. I'm going to cut this foam in half and lay it here, and then we'll seal this up, and then we'll box this box. Finally cut, not really neat, but it fits. Labeled the front, the top, and the bottom. Now I'll float that inside of another box to make sure that it stays safe in shipping. Peanuts in the bottom, and I've got this wrapped with some protection around the outside of the box. Get that loaded up. We'll float a bunch of peanuts around it and get it packed up. All right, now it is fully packed in there. All right, well that completes the packing job. It's in there. We'll send it on its way.